My name's Gregor Steele and I work for an organisation called SSERC. We support safe, exciting, engaging practical work in STEM subjects in Scottish schools. Now the image you can see here is of one of the most famous landmarks in Scotland. It's Edinburgh Castle, and it's been taken using a telescope made of components from a Photonics Explorer Kit. The science curriculum has changed radically over the past few years in Scotland. Now, one of our roles as an organisation has been to support teachers throughout this period of change. And Photonics Explorer came along at exactly the right time. We believe it's important that students get their hands on high quality modern equipment. And Photonics Explorer does exactly that. And not only can it support traditional optics, some of the new topics such as astrophysics, particle physics and even quantum physics have been enhanced by these fantastic kits. For example, most Scottish schools will have a laser like the one on the right there, but they'll only have one. With Photonics Explorer, students can work in pairs and carry out experiments for themselves. And these lasers are very effective and they're very safe as well. We've tested the power output, we've tested the spectral output, and the clever design makes them very stable too. In partnership with organisations such as the Institute of Physics in Scotland, Scottish local councils, and what used to be known as Research Councils UK, we've run training to get over 300 kits into Scottish schools. We reckon that at least half of Scotland's secondary schools have at least one kit. And we believe that if teachers are engaged and enthused by activities, this will pass on to the learners. I think you'll agree when you see the pictures from our courses that the teachers love using the resources. There's still a demand for kits. We get inquiries from teachers who have moved schools asking how they can get a Photonics Explorer kit for their new place. And we sincerely hope that Photonics Explorer continues to receive the support it deserves, so we can load up the car and set off to run courses that introduce even more teachers to the fantastic resources and the amazing activities that you can do with them.